Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Problematic. Problematic. Problematic means constituting or presenting problem. For example, the situation was problematic for teachers. The situation was problematic for teachers. Synonyms: difficult, hard, problematical. Productive. Productive. Productive means producing large amounts of goods, etc. For example, the most productive employees. The most productive employees. Synonyms: fertile, fruitful, rich. Profitable. Profitable. Profitable means of business or activity, yielding profit or financial gain. For example, a professionally run and profitable company. A professionally run and profitable company. Synonyms: money-making, profit-making, commercial. Profound. Profound. Profound means very great or intense. For example, profound feelings of disquiet. Profound feelings of disquiet. Synonyms: heartfelt, intense, keen. Prominent. Prominent. Prominent means important. For example, she was a prominent member of the city council. She was a prominent member of the city council. Synonyms: important, well-known, leading. Pronounced. Pronounced. Pronounced means very noticeable or marked. For example, he had a pronounced squint. He had a pronounced squint. Synonyms: noticeable, marked, strong. Prospective. Prospective. Prospective means expected or expecting to be specified thing in future. For example, she showed a prospective buyer around the house. She showed a prospective buyer around the house. Synonyms: destined, intended, planned. Protective. Protective. Protective means intended to protect. For example, protective gloves are worn to minimize injury. Protective gloves are worn to minimize injury. Synonyms: preservative, protecting, safeguarding. Provincial. Provincial. Provincial means relating to province. For example, provincial elections. Provincial elections. Synonyms: non-metropolitan, small town, non-urban. Psychiatric. Psychiatric. Psychiatric means relating to mental illness or its treatment. For example, a psychiatric disorder. A psychiatric disorder. Synonyms: emotional, spiritual, inner. Radical. Radical. Radical means relating to or affecting fundamental nature of something. For example, a radical overhaul of the existing regulatory framework. A radical overhaul of the existing regulatory framework. Synonyms: thoroughgoing, thorough, complete. Rational. Rational. Rational means based on or in accordance with reason or logic. For example, I'm sure there's a perfectly rational explanation. I'm sure there's a perfectly rational explanation. Synonyms: logical, reasoned, well-reasoned. Rear. Rear. Rear means at back. For example, the car's rear window. The car's rear window. Synonyms: back, end, rearmost. Regulatory. Regulatory. Regulatory means serving or intended to regulate something. For example, the existing legal and regulatory framework. The existing legal and regulatory framework. Synonyms: managerial, management, directorial. Reluctant. Reluctant. Reluctant means unwilling and hesitant. For example, she seemed reluctant to discuss the matter. She seemed reluctant to discuss the matter. Synonyms: unwilling, disinclined, and enthusiastic. Renowned. Renowned. Renowned means known or talked about by many people. For example, a restaurant renowned for its Southwestern-style food. A restaurant renowned for its Southwestern-style food. Synonyms: famous, celebrated, famed. Residential. Residential. Residential means designed for people to live in. For example, private residential and nursing homes. Private residential and nursing homes. Respective. Respective. Respective means belonging or relating separately to each of two or more people or things. For example, they chatted about their respective childhoods. They chatted about their respective childhoods. Synonyms: separate, personal, own. Reverse. Reverse. Reverse means going in or turn towards direction opposite to that previously stated. For example, the trend appears to be going in the reverse direction. The trend appears to be going in the reverse direction. Synonyms: opposite, contrary, converse. Revolutionary. Revolutionary. Revolutionary means involving or causing complete or dramatic change. For example, a revolutionary new drug. A revolutionary new drug. Synonyms: thoroughgoing, thorough, complete.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.